Okay, we're going to try to assemble our Lego parts into some kind of a shape. You can design your shape, like I have one over here on the right, and then you need to try to assemble it. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, an 8-part shape that we're going to try to assemble. So the first thing you want to do is come down in your Lego Masters project, come down and click the plus sign. If you haven't, you should already have maybe an assembly tab. You can go ahead and click that assembly tab. I'm going to go ahead and add a new create assembly. And we're going to come up to insert and start bringing parts in. So I'm going to bring in, I guess I can bring them all in. I need three of these. 1, 2, 3. I need 3 of those. So you click it and you place it in. I'll kind of zoom out a little bit. Click another one. Click another one. I need 1, 2 of the 4 Lego 3s, I guess I called them. I need a large angle. I need one of these, and I need a small angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, click the check mark, and we got them all in. Okay, you can grab onto these and move these around. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mate to this thing right here. I'm going to put this base corner right here, so it's on that thing. So I need one of these. So the only thing we're going to use is this fasten mate right here at the beginning. That's how we're going to do this whole thing. We're not going to do the plain mates. We're going to do a fasten mate and just do one mate to lock it in. So I'm going to click that fasten mate. I'll come here and I'll click on the origin, and I'll come here and click on like zoom in here and get on this face right there on that corner, and we'll attach that one. Whoops, messed up the very first one. Starting over. Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to mate this block here, the starting block down here, to this little origin right here. And the only thing we're going to use are these fasten mates right here, these things. So we can just do kind of one mate for each one. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll kind of zoom in here on the origin a little bit and click put a mate connector on there. And then I'm going to come over here and get on the corner there and click that. Okay, and you'll notice that it looks like it's upside down. So I'm going to flip the primary axis, so now it's right side up. So if it doesn't look quite right, always either flip the primary axis or start rotating it around until it's in the position that you want it to be in. So I'll go ahead and click solve on that. Okay, I'm going to put this big one here on top of this. So I want to click the fastener, and I'm going to go right here and get on that corner, and then I'll come over here and get up here on can't see it right there on that corner. Okay, and you'll see, let's see if I do flip the primary axis, there we go, it's up on top now. That's where I want it. So I'll click that. Okay, let's see, I need one of these underneath there. So if you highlight, if you just select this, let's see. I guess I have to be out of this. But if you highlight this whole thing, you can kind of play with these little circle things and kind of rotate it around, so you can kind of see what you get where you want it. So that's kind of nice, but then you have to go to the fasten again. I'm gonna do it right here on the top, put a connector right there on the corner, and then I need to go under here and go right here in this corner like that. And is it, oh rats, I didn't want to do that. Yeah, I needed to be on, yeah, it's offset a little bit, isn't it? Okay. Let's undo that one. Let's clip the X out of there. Okay, so you can highlight these things. So you can normally highlight these things, and you can play with these little things here and rotate them. So that can be helpful sometimes, to rotate it to kind of where you want it to be. So I'll do a fastener here, and we want this one to be in the middle here, right there. And let's see, we want that thing to be, that middle one to be right there on this corner, right there. Yeah, that's already good, so I'm going to lock that one in. Okay, what do I got now? Now I have this big piece here. I'm going to click out of there and see if I can just highlight that piece there, and let's see, I kind of want to rotate it around like this. Okay, and I want to put a fastener. Let's do it on this front edge, and that's going to go right in the middle of that one. So I'm going to come down here, try to get a connector right there. And oh, that's going to go, whoops. Yeah, that's going to go on the far side. So right there. And let's see, it's flip the axis. Yep, that's what I need to do. Put it in, that was in, it's good. Okay. Now what? Okay. I want this 4 piece here. I want it up on the top there, so I'm gonna come in here and get one on the corner there. Let's see, that corner, and that needs to go on that corner. Flip the axis. That'll be good. Okay. All right. Now I need the 3 piece. Zoom in there on this. I'm gonna put a connector there, and let's see, where's that gonna go? Where I get it? That one has to go up in this corner right here. Get up on the face there, right there, like that. Flip the axis. Yep, good. Okay, this part here, I'm going to click the X out. I'm going to do this and kind of rotate it around like that. Okay, so then this corner, or actually I could do this middle would go right here on the edge to a fastener. Do in the middle here on the face. So difficult. Right there. Let's see, that's going to go right out here on this corner. Right there. Flip it. Yep. Good. Okay. Last piece. Zoom right in here, and I'll get right here on this corner. And that's going to go right here on that corner. Flip it. Good. Boom. We got it. Front. Looks right. Okay, so it's all good. You shouldn't be able to move any of these things around. Everything is all fixed together, and there's our assembly piece. Next video, we're going to show you how to take this assembly piece and to make it into, create it into one part.